postmortem care. First, let's check the chart for a physician certification of the death of the patients. Next is prepare the materials needed. And then next is ask permission and explain the procedure to the significant others that you're going to perform postmortem care. So the next is ask family if they want to remain inside the room during the procedure. The next is draw curtains to provide privacy. And then pour lukewarm water into the basin. And wash hands and put clean gloves. The next is remove the jewelry or personal items of the patient and give them to the significant others. And then close patients' close patients' eyes. Then put dentures. Then close patients' mouths. And then next is remove all equipment, tube supplies and dirty linens, and then according to the hospital protocols. Then next is remove patients' clothes and make sure that any of the body part is exposed. The next is perform bed bath to the patients. The next is put cotton balls on the patient's closed eyes and the inner ears and of their ears, and secure tape lengthwise.
Nadi di magawa sa misalos.
Secretion. Labi na if ang patient na napos yung tagay na. So like for example, nakapos sa hospital is because ang congest siya ay kung magkanta na siya.
Next is secure the jaw of the patient with a front. Diapers and underwears with the new clothes of the patients. The next is give family option to view or not to view the patients, and then accompany them as they go. So then encourage them to say goodbye. So encourage the family to say goodbye and ask them if they want to left alone. Next is put patients name tags on the foot and the hand. Then cover and secure the patient with a shrub. Then secure safety pins.
Okay, open with your fully now.
put a name tag on the patient's the shroud